So as a business, we produce wet wipes. Pretty much if it's available in wipe form, we will make it. My name is Vicky Alexander. I'm the Senior HR Officer and Wellness Specialist. Our motto is keeping the world healthy, one wipe at a time. We were facing three key issues: low engagement with benefits across the company, absenteeism and engagement with health and wellbeing initiatives.
Before YuLife, engagement wasn't amazing.
So we felt we needed to put that right. So it's something that candidates were looking for. They were asking at the end of the interview, what's your health and wellbeing offering? It's really something that people are keen for their employers to provide.
We wanted YuLife to be more than just an insurance offering. We wanted the employees to know that we do care about them.
Before, we had individual meetings and things like that about, health and well-being.
But it didn't offer the benefits that YuLife does.
We got talking about the YuLife app, and when I started having a look at it, I thought I can use this to motivate myself to start getting fit.
So YuLife's impacted my well-being by making me more active.
I start walking to work instead of driving.
I've gone from 500 metres in January to the middle of April. I'm actually running 10 miles.
I'm very competitive, so we're always seeing where everyone is up on the leaderboard.
So I use my YuLife app on a daily basis, and I do get a real sense of satisfaction from watching my UCoin increase.
And people enjoy doing the challenges now because they will save all their UCoins for Christmas. There's so much more engagement now with the staff.
For 17 years, this is the first app which have brought people together.
Before YuLife was implemented, absence was sitting around 4%. It's now around 2%. We feel that YuLife has really been part of that reduction.
I would work behind a desk for, 8, 10, 12 hours a day. Before I started on the YuLife and the health thing, I would get a headache 2-3 times a week. Since I started doing this, I haven't had a single headache in 3 months, and it enables me to focus on what I'm doing a lot better now.
The employees are donating to charities as well, which is amazing. It just shows that they're thinking of others as well as themselves.
Making the world a better place, and that's what it's all about.
I think we almost forgot that YuLife was a life insurance company because it was so focused on the people well-being side of things.
If you look at the main reason for it is, to help people get health and well-being. And why would you not want to feel better, either physically or mentally or both?
Mark, you nailed it.
Smashed it, mate.
Thank you very much.